How to know if someone has unfriended you or blocked you on Snapchat. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy method to know if someone has removed you as a friend or completely blocked you on Snapchat. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button as well. Without any further delay, let's begin the video. The first thing you need to do is open up your Snapchat, and then from here, if you head over to your chats, and then if you want to search for anyone that you think has removed you, go ahead and search for their username, and then just tap on their username right here. And if you are able to see their snap score, then that means that they have not removed you. So I'm just going to show you right here. I have this person right here, and if you are able to see their snap score right here, then that means they have not blocked you or removed you. And if you are not able to see their snap score, then that means they have removed you as your friend on Snapchat. And to know if they have blocked you on Snapchat, then you won't be able to find their account whatsoever. If you try to search them, no matter what, you are not able to find their account on the Snapchat app. So that means that they have completely blocked you on Snapchat. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.